So this is one of our reusable banners. The top 2 lines of writing and the bottom 2 lines of writing are printed, as is the crest. So they're permanently on the banner. But, see, this is a print, but the dates are vinyl lettering. They can be any colour, but they have to be a single colour. So this is vinyl lettering. So your banner will come with the first lot of date information, and when you want to change it, you order new dates from us. You heat it up with a hairdryer, peel it off, and then apply your new dates. It's very, very easy to do, and it will cost you 1/3 of the cost of the banner. So not only are you reusing a piece of plastic, but you are also saving yourself money, and even better because vinyl advertising banners are perfect for roadside advertising, but there is no substitute of the green type. So reusing is the answer as opposed to recycling. So these are reusable vinyl advertising banners from Griffin Designs.